So this euro dollar analysis for Monday the 11th of June. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had previously price going towards this 1830. Traded as high as 1840, from which we did see sell side momentum come back into the market, breaking down from the 1830 straight through the 1771 and came down towards this 1728 for a pretty much perfect test of that 1728, from which we did see the bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, formed a bit of a bull flag, had a bull flag, used the 1771 as a support, from which we are now seeing the continuation of this buy side momentum. At the moment we've had another bull flag and it does appear to be playing out bullish. So if we do see the momentum continuation here to the upside in alignment with the most recent trend, we are looking for a test of that 1830. If we don't find resistance at 1830, bringing us back down towards the 1771 or possibly 1728 if there is sufficient volatility. Even beyond that, if we had quite a bit of volatility, we might see the 1710 tested, where we do have the added confluence of a 200 and 400 period moving averages along with the 1710, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. But if we were to see the continuation beyond the 1830, the very next levels that we are looking at here to the upside are as follows. We're looking for a move up towards that 1862, successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 1910, and if there is sufficient momentum to bring us beyond 1910, we have 1961 above. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the higher time frames. So what we'll do now is have a look at the monthly chart. Get the scale on here correct. As you can see here on this monthly chart, we've had a pretty strong move to the upside all the way up towards our 125 with a confluence of 200 period moving average. We've seen a bit of a pullback at the moment. We've came down towards this area we previously found support, and we do appear to be finding support at present. So there is a possibility in the monthly chart to form a bit of a head and shoulders pattern, but we'll have to see prices turn around in around that around that 120 level here on the euro against the dollar. That's if we were to see the play out to the downside, but at present we do appear to have caught a bid in the mid 15s. So we do seem poised for further upside momentum here on the euro against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we can see here we've had a gap up, strong move, pull back, another strong move up towards that 125. We did appear to be forming a bull flag, but we've broken out to the downside. And we've had a pretty consistent sell-off. We've come down towards this 115 level, and so far we are seeing a bit of bullish momentum. We didn't quite come down towards the 200 period moving average here on the weekly time frame, but we are seeing that bullish momentum come back into the market. We were saying that potential head and shoulders, so we do have the shoulder, we've got the head, and if we do fail there, we are looking for another shoulder, possibly seeing that sell side momentum come back into this market. But we'll see how it plays out, whether we do have the retracement to that point where we might see the head and shoulders pattern form. And on the daily chart, before wrapping up here, more recently we've had a pretty consistent sell-off. We've had the bullish move to the upside, brief consolidation. Brief consolidation for having another break to the upside, brief pullback, tested support, and we do appear poised to have the momentum continuation here to the upside. So with that said, that wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.